Hey everybody, this is Michael from Barton Musical Circuits, and I am here to demo the Utility Buttons module today. This is a performance, a controller kind of module. There's no external inputs at all. It's not something to process CV or audio. It's just something that outputs gates based on how you press buttons. There's two channels, so the left side and the right side are two separate things that have their own sets of controls. Up here is our push button. This toggle right here is going to select how output B interacts with output A, and then this toggle is selecting how the button is going to work with the module. So right now we have it in the center, so it's momentary, so hold down the button and they turn on, and then I can set it to latch, so press the button, stays on, press again, goes off, and then finally there's a tap tempo where it will turn off and on in the time that I press the button. In time as doing two button presses, I should say. And then up here we have selection on how this output works with that one. Right now it's a mult, so they're both just outputting the same thing. Then this is a trigger, so we have a trigger here and a gate there. The outputs are plus 5 volts. And then inversion, so whenever this turns off, this turns on. And those are all the controls. It's a pretty simple module, but I did set up a little patch here to show you how you can use it. We've got these two outputs are going to an analog drum and a digital hi-hat, and then these are going to a frequency control for the drum and a frequency control for a filter that the hi-hat's running through. And yeah, I'll flip this on and you can kind of hear, how you might use this in the real world.